In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the duration of photos in CapCut PC step by step, so you can set a default photo length that fits your editing style. This is super useful if you're making slideshows, tutorials, reels, or any video where you want every image to stay on the screen for the same amount of time without adjusting each one manually. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, before you change anything, make sure your active timeline track is cleared of any existing images. This is important because you want to update the default photo duration, not fight with clips that are already sitting on the timeline. So if you already have photos placed there, delete them or move them out of the way so you have a clean workspace. Now look to the top left corner of CapCut PC and click the menu button. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of its main settings, preferences, and project options. Once the drop-down menu opens, find and click Settings. That will bring up the settings window where you can customize how CapCut behaves. Inside the settings window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Edit tab, which is the third option. This is the section that controls editing behavior, including how long photos stay on the screen by default. After you open the Edit tab, look for the Image Duration field. This is the setting that determines the default length of every photo you add to your timeline. Now type in your desired duration. You can enter the time in seconds or frames, depending on how you like to edit. For example, if you want each photo to last a little longer in a slideshow, increase the number. If you want a faster paced edit, lower it. The great part is that once this is set, you won't need to manually stretch every single photo later. After entering the new image duration, click the blue Save button in the bottom right corner. This is what applies your new default timing to CapCut. If you forget to save, the change won't take effect, so always make sure you confirm it before moving on. Now go back to your media bin and drag your photos back onto the timeline. As soon as you place them there, they should automatically use the new duration you just set. That means every image will match your timing preference right away, saving you a lot of editing time. This is one of those small CapCut settings that makes a huge difference once you know where it is. Instead of constantly dragging image edges or fixing each clip one by one, you can set the default once and keep your workflow much smoother. It's a simple change, but it can really speed up your editing process, especially if you work with lots of photos. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut PC tutorials, editing shortcuts, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.